G'day guys, Luke here at Honeycombs. Stay tuned, we review all machines. So look, stay tuned, Luke's Machinery Reviews. Have a look, see what we're looking at this week. YouTube and Instagram. Cheers, thank you. Feel free to come and see us. Righto guys, so now we're in John Deere Operations Centre. This is the paddock that we've had our Field Connect system in it. As you can see, the orange line, the pink line is a boundary we've put in. Okay, so if we look in here, this used to be an old dairy, this used to be an old laneway. Okay, our Field Connect unit is basically here. We've got one probe which is close to here, and our other probe is over here. So obviously the one that's giving us pretty good reading is in the drier part. Obviously this has been an old compact area from where the cows used to come up and down. So it's a lot drier soil, whereas out here it's a bit redder, a bit of moisture. So I'll just quickly zoom back out. All right, this may take a little bit, so I'll just pause it for a minute. Agronomic data. So this will take a little bit because it is a pretty big file, so bear with me.